I am at Mega Mall in Lansing, Michigan, and this is listed on TripAdvisor as one of the best things to do when you come to Michigan. It is a thrift shop and it's very, very big. Like it's a huge thrift shop. Oh wow.
Decor in your house.
Look at this small madam. She's so excited. She's in a toy shop. She's like, she's about to explode.
I don't know open it. Wow.
You have to call them to get in.
These ones are expensive. They like engagement rings and stuff. These
Something
things
like
are
this.
naked.
That's true.
That's bigger than me.
What's bigger than you?
Sterling silver ring is so huge.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but these are nice. These are really
Oh,
nice.
look
I
at the
really
place. Fenton.
Oh, it's true.
There are cars here.
Oh. You
Michigan
don't
and
this will serve you room service. That's your wedding bag. You should buy it for you. This is the sterling silver.
Hey, what is this?
I'm telling you, the ring. See, the thing is bigger than me, sir.
I will buy it for you.
If your son was here now, you would have been paying this money to buy cars.
Sorry? Mom has found something?
Yeah.
Nice.
What did Mama find?
Oh, you're late last time.
This is too
Kevin.
nice with
Oh, no, I think
decorations. Nice.
It's all yours.
Watch this.
Like, seriously.
Oh, there's more rings.
The rings are plenty.
Yeah.
The jewelry are plenty. There's stamps too.
Canada. Oh. Germany. Oh. So see, coins from different places. This is nice. Italy. Ecuador. Brazil. Wow.
So the store is pretty big and pretty well organized, I think. So far we've seen a lot of jewelry, a lot of collectible items like baseball cards. If you look back here, there are some number plates. I don't know what they are. A lot of jewelry we've seen. So we'll keep going and see what's there to offer. Hi. You know those scenes in movies where you have a guy holding a boombox on his shoulder in the rain? Well, this is my moment. I saw this old looking boombox and I had to take a shot. Yeah. I thought it was pretty heavy. Surprisingly, it was very heavy, but it was fun. I had fun doing it.
That's so cool.
Yeah. 1995. Ooh, look at these bags.
Like Christmas.
The vase.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It was interesting. It's really interesting. This thrift shop is pretty big. Look at this. Look at these swords behind me. Look at it. Oh. Yeah. Okay. So it's a it's a big thrift shop. It also has a lot of antique stuff in here. I think you need a few hours. Look at these test tubes and Erlenmeyer flask. Yeah. Look at them. Yeah. Look at the test tubes. $2.
That's crazy. Oh my god. That's all all that chemistry stuff.
Round bottom.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, so in a nutshell, it's a pretty interesting store to be in, but I think you need a few hours. We are rushing out because we got here very late, and come in your sneakers or your flip-flops or something so you can walk comfortably and look around. So as I'm walking, I'm sure you see all the stuff around me. They have aisles upon aisles of stuff. I think I would have wanted to really look through the jewelry though, because they have some really nice stuff that obviously you wouldn't find anywhere else. That's it. I mean, I think we're gonna leave now because we've spent quite a bit of time here and I am actually tired. So we're gonna go ahead and leave. But whenever you find yourself in Lansing, you can check out this thrift shop. Okay, bye.